Bro, does it feel great to be back or what? Does it feel great to be here or what? It feels kind of weird, bro. It's been like 4 days now. Has it? Friday, well, Saturday, Sunday, like three. It's felt forever, bro. Like it's felt forever since I've been on live, and I'm so excited to be back here. You guys don't even understand. Anyways, gonna get right into it. We got 15 minutes till market open, and man, I just really want to hop on here just like a little bit earlier, and we're kind of just gonna go over what I'm seeing today, my bias coming into today, what we're gonna be looking at, and what I am seeing personally. So on higher time frame, we have SMT, and the thing about this is it's not like a prominent low here. It's kind of just like an internal, but I would count this as like some sort of a prominent low. We have big time frame SMT, and then on ES on the hourly, we're currently within this fair value gap. So ES is looking a little more bullish than NQ. NQ is looking a little more bearish. Just the fact that ES is now. Let me see. I think this should be 50%. Yeah, we retrace straight back into equilibrium within this range. We're on this 1 hour fair value gap. We have bullish SMT. For me, it's looking pretty bullish on ES. But I'm waiting. Like all this right here, this is just chop really. This is kind of just chop. I want to avoid this, and I'm really not looking to trade today. Like that's my mindset. I'm not looking to trade today. I'm not looking to place a trade today. See, if there's a trade that comes out to me along with my bias, maybe my bias isn't there. Maybe I need to reassess. But right now, I'm leaning a little more bullish than I am bearish. But I don't have a set in stone bias. Like it isn't that strong. Like I know we're at a place on NQ where we can still sell off, and that we don't have to be bullish. And but on ES, we are pretty bullish. But yeah, I'm so ready for today. We don't have any news. We have. Let me pull it up real quick. It's some slight. It's just like a little thing that. Here, I'll just do this. Yes, leading index like this. I'm not worried about this at all. It's at 30 minutes into market open, so that's something to look out for. But um, I'm just glad to be back. What's good, Colin? I'm pulling up my Discord over here. I'm gonna start being more active in the Discord. I have been lacking, so um, I kind of do. That's on me. That's my fault. But going on in the future, I won't be lacking at all. Trying to grow this, and I know that this week my main focus is just outworking myself, and outworking like what I think is possible. Because you know what I did the other day, and um, like bro, I'm the type of guy to where like I don't really compare myself to other people that much, but I do look at what other people are doing and I try to outwork them. Like I was looking at like other people that are doing like the same thing as me, like posting their trades and everything, and I just want to be the point where I'm outworking them. So that's why I don't want to start like a trading series on my channel, like a YouTube video where I trade. Um, but I'm kind of I don't really know, and I might structure the activated series different. Maybe I do like a vlog type thing, but I don't know. But for now, bro, I am like in the aftermarket stream. I'll have like a whole different setup. I'm watching someone's dog, so I gotta move my setup into their house because they want me staying at their house. That doesn't look right. What is it? All right. So we reset. I reset the demo account. I'm now at 1,500 flat just because like someone like I asked them to place an order and it ended up like going right, and I made like $300. I don't know what this is though. Okay. All right. Let's get straight into it on this Tuesday. It's not a Monday. It's a Tuesday. Morning. You have a good weekend? Um, my weekend. My weekend was decent. I just don't really like 3 day weekends. I mean, I'm trying to get after it, but overall, it wasn't bad. It just kind of threw me off yesterday. Like I was so dialed in. I'm so used to just like streaming like twice a day now, to where like not having that for a day just kind of threw me off. How about you guys? You guys have a good weekend? But I am excited to be back. For sure, for sure. And so for me, I'm just completely going to wait. And unless I see like a golden setup, we are respecting this 15 minute on ES. I want to see more displacement though. For me, this just isn't enough. For me, this is just chop right now. So I want to see like a displacement through like um, maybe a highlight this to show us that we actually want to go to buy side here and here on ES, and this S&T might actually hold. But for now, like this just really isn't enough for me to go up and take a trade. I'm going to stay patient, and I'm just going to take what the market gives me. And no, this is Tuesday. This is the first day of the week, so let's start this day off strong. With that means just A plus setups. If it's not an A plus setup, don't take it. And definitely don't force anything today. And stay patient. Stay patient. Stay patient. Like we have a whole week ahead of us. Like the market isn't going anywhere. The market's going to be open a year from now. The market's going to be open 2 years from now. So why are we rushing it? Why are we rushing this process? That's my mindset. There's no need to like try to make more money than you can risk, or try to like over leverage over risk. Like all you're doing is just setting yourself up for failure just because you want that quick success. And that's where I was at so long ago in my journey, to where like I just wanted to win. I wanted to make money, and making money to me felt like I was winning, and felt like that's all I needed. Like that's all I was looking for validation, was just by making money. Was my P&L green or red today? That's all I really cared about. And you guys can't even see my screen. I just realized that, but now y'all should be able to. I gotta get better at that. But what I was pretty much saying is that like for me, like all of this is just chop. Like there isn't really much for me to take a trade off of this. I wanna let price settle in. It's a Tuesday, day after a bank holiday. I'm not gonna rush anything. I'm not gonna force anything. Going to stay strict. Gonna stay patient, and just gonna let price do what I think price wants to do. All right, locked in. Gonna have a great week. And like I was saying, bro, like the focus this week is just outwork. It's just outwork everybody, and most importantly, like yourself. Outwork yourself. Outwork what you were working in the like last week. I'm gonna let price settle, and I'm not gonna force anything. But we got about 5 minutes till market opens. And I'm not fully bullish here. We could easily break. We saw this hourly bearish value gap that we're still respecting. I personally need more to take a trade and more to take a buy, like to have my bias more. Uh, Turn on some music. Yeah, we have this draw later on as a prominent high. Oh, oh. Something that I'm working on and I want to work on is just like let the trade come to you, bro. Just let the trade come to you. Don't try to force that trade. Don't try to put that trade on. Like let that trade come towards you. Wow, never let it, and that's something that really can allow. Currently in this 15 minute on ESPN. Yeah, I'm really not looking to trade this. I want to see a break above this high, at least some sort of displacement upwards. Before then, I could look to take a trade. But it's a Tuesday. We're waiting. We're going to make it done clear when we have to be on a trade. And right now, market just opened. I got some good vibes, bro. We had a good morning this morning, and we're just gonna keep it up. Keep on putting the hard work this week, and I promise you, like your trading journey might not feel like you have it all together at all. Might not feel like you really have anything going for you right now, but you just gotta build good habits. Just build good habits. Show up every day. Build good habits. Stop looking to make money. Like stop looking to make money in this. Like bro, the markets are always gonna be there. I don't know a day that I've woken up on when market's supposed to open and it didn't. I really couldn't tell you. Yeah, this is kind of what we want to see. We got a little bit of displacement upwards. Speak my language. Cops are rob. Casing that, pay my bill, now it's 30 on my wrist. I pay a stack for these Chanels. New game, playing the bicycle from the L's, through the storm. Alright, we're respecting this 15-minute imbalance. We're currently bouncing off of this. The next drop for me is this high. I feel like we're definitely going to run to this high. I want to see displacement above this. And I want to see more structure form for me. Like, I guess if we did make like a 1 minute, you could look to enter here. SMT on higher time frame. Kind of bounce back up into this 15-minute. We're also within this inverse. I mean, I guess this could be like a decent. Talking my, speak my language, but like of endless birth. And make we feel a lot of pain because we get hurt. It's our loves that are trying to get reimbursed. Described up the hood was cursed. Now nothing they already get this shit from the dirt. Like doing it bad, but I'm still expecting the worst. Like if we come back down in this area and possibly cause a reaction, maybe another 5 minute fair value gap, 1 minute fair value gap off these two breakers and this inverse, like that would be appealing. Maybe to take this high or this high. Yep, and ES just drew towards that. Very efficient off that 15 minute. We're respecting 15 minute imbalances on ES. Respecting sky and bang is a good part in the mix because this shit is very dangerous. Just want some clout, we can really make it famous. Skirt, skirt, skirt. I ate while she's famous, which you ain't talking about. I'm being very careful and patient though, because this could very well just be a manipulation move to get to these highs, then sell off lower. So I don't like necessarily how we're pumping this hard at open. Yes, sir. What's good, Luca? I'm gonna trade and then come back to stream after. Alright. I'll see you then, bro. I'm waiting. I'll probably be taking a trade like within an hour and a half or 2 hours. If it presents itself to me, like for me, I have no like there's no reason for me to really be in a trade right now. So I'm gonna wait until it like the markets want me to take a trade. Okay, but certainly no bad if then don't need to drag. I think I might need that inside. Do securities walking forward in the shackles. See my mama, her eyes turn trying to but the devil keep on interfering. Everybody go through something. It's all about persevering. It was kind of me. I'll put passion in every lyric. This very well could just be manipulation higher for that sell off lower. So I'm gonna be patient. Going to be patient, but overall I'm a lot more bearish or bullish than bearish. Every place that I can't wait to see. The game sitting in the stage faithfully. I'm golden child. You think my mom hated me. We got about 9 minutes till this candle closes. Doesn't seem like heaven is a place to be. Still with me when it get cold. I feel spirit talking to him. I'm trying to work through these blessings, but the devil keep interfering. But he go through something. It's all about persevering. It's kind of me out. This could us be rejecting, sweeping these highs, thinking like we're going, but this is just generating buy-sided. This is just generating buy-side though, like up here. Still in that 15-minute again. Look at this candle though. That candle is crazy. Yeah, it's red. Good light, so getting sunset right. Yeah, market's indecisive right now. Nothing to touch here. Nothing to even look at. Nothing to even stare at. I'm sure. Again, like we could break below this, and this would be a crazy candle. Break below this imbalance, and then who knows? We're within this 15-minute inverse. So I'm waiting. I'm letting market make it dumb clear. Like if there's not a trade for me, there's not a trade. Like that's my game plan. And in those days when there's are those trades and those trades are dumb clear to me, and I'm able to capitalize off of those. Like I'm gonna be insane. I'm gonna be insane. Like I don't need to be in a trade. I don't need to be taking a trade. Like when every time when every time frame aligns, that's what we got going. Right now though, it could be time to maybe reevaluate my bias if it was wrong. We just kind of had like a bearish candle here, so I would expect a bearish continuation. Again, and like price like has to like rebalance within this range, like at least at some point in time, bro. Like it's only gonna happen until we get like a sell off. Thanks, man. Like if we displace below this SMT low and hey, look at this. Look at this 5-minute candle. I'm watching this low. Are we gonna draw us to this? Are we gonna break through it? Depends on what happens. But dude, bro, just look at this candle. Look at this candle. This is a crazy. Like for me, bro. Like I don't know. I don't really need it. I don't know if I like this. Like look at this. Look at this, bro. Two candles on a 5-minute, and this is the type of action we're already getting. So for me to take a trade, bro, I gotta see something, and I gotta have like some conviction with that trade. So we just broke below my SMT. This is gonna be a time where I'm gonna reevaluate my bias, and I really gotta see something. Like I really gotta see something, bro. Like there's a job for me about that. I mean, bro, like this is still very well SMT. Like yeah, yes, they have to work their way all the way down to this low. Yeah, I'm sorry. I need this to chillax, cool down for at least like a minute, for at least like 30 minutes, bro. Did it out that patient. And Nvidia is finally slowing down. The hell, what? See, I like how it feel. It's like I've been popping extras, I try to pill. Shit, I've been losing hard times, I lost my mind for real. Like shit happen way too fast, I ain't time to. Hey, people making a lip, already dying. Yeah, I was still hanging. We have broken below this 1 hour imbalance. That is, we are respecting this 1 hour. We have broken through that 1 hour bullish imbalance. We have been respecting this 1 hour. So on the higher time frames, like that's something you gotta be cautious of. That's something I have to note. That maybe my bias coming in today isn't valid. Day after bank holiday, wicked stupid candles off the 5 minute. So for me, like I have to see a lot more. I have to see well conviction, well thought out, and I gotta see something more than this. So you gonna follow what's that rain? The size of it, we might choose. But like, bro, I'm so excited to be back. So excited. So blessed to be where I'm at right now. And I promise you, I can tell you one thing for certain, bro. One thing's for certain, bro, is that I'm up in the effort I'm putting into this. Like I'm upping like what I'm doing into this, and I need to be outworking every type of person within this space, and um, that's just the reality of it, and that's how I see myself, and like whether that be creating content, whether that be um, educating myself, whether that be journaling, whether that be going in the gym, whether that be taking after myself, whether that be eating right, whether that be doing the right things, whether that be reading, like all my day is just trying to become a more disciplined person, become a better person myself, and that's kind of how I'm gonna structure my life. Yeah, I don't think there's going to be any AM trades for me to take. If there is a trade, it's going to be in the PM. I need to see more. I need to have a clear understanding of what Price is doing. You know. Hop in the rain, sipping off OGs while I'm with the gang. Yo, what's good, Oscar? How you doing today, brother? Sip champagne when I feel like I'm doing. Hop in the rain, sitting on 4Gs, riding the kind. And recession incoming. Uh, I I think a lot of people are going to be jumping on the fact that we might sell off. We definitely have the possibility, bro, but I think it might be like a slow thing. Like we've been so bullish recently that I think we need to see some form of accumulation and just not really going anywhere. Hold up one second. I'm trying to. What was I? What was that? What was I trying to do? I was trying to put. Now here we go. Sounds normal. What do you mean? Alright. So what I'm seeing is like I think we need a lot more accumulation like just within this range before we actually get that sell off. Like if we're really gonna dump and we're really gonna make a huge recession, I think that we just need to see more like accumulation at this high before then we build lower, you know? Like so right now we kind of have this forming. I want to see like boom, maybe some like manipulation, maybe make like one more day of all-time highs, then we get sort of this into then go lower. Let me pull up SPY. Like someone like this, you know, like we come back into all-time highs. This is exactly this is literally what I'm talking about. So we're rolling up into all-time highs, then we make some sort of structure, then we get this like more chop. Yeah, this is still trading days, so then we go back up into all-time highs, and then we sell off. So we did just sweep this, or we did just head towards this. Is this hourly low? Yeah, hourly low, sweeping internal, possible displacement upwards. my gosh. Yeah, we just had a 3 day weekend. You got to keep that in mind, bro. We just had a 3 day weekend. Oh, fix your audio, bro. Dude, honestly, it's my mic. Should I get a new mic? Yeah, new mic. Bro, I got this. She gonna blow me up. Yeah, she gonna blow me up. Ooh, this is looking decent. Running off. They're running off with the sauce. Chat, which one should I get? I'm thinking maybe this Blue Yeti. When can I get this by? Friday? Let's go on Amazon too. She home. See, like this is literally the thing I have, bro. Wait, hold up. We're gonna do like a little test here. We're gonna do a. I gotta do a test because. All right, now I gotta test this. I don't know which mode's the best mode to be on, but we're about to figure out the hard way. Is this one the best one, or I don't know. Y'all let me know. Low key, this one sounds the best. This one. Nah, I'm gonna go with this one. There's like different modes on my mic, so I'm trying to figure out which one sounds the best. I mean, it honestly doesn't sound like awful. But that's kind of I don't know, bro. Hold up, sorry, I'm tweaking. Okay, okay. Now we're back. Now we're back. Now we're back. Okay. Market time, bro. Cause the thing is, like, I think I should get a new mic. I think I should invest in it because, like, bro, I'm serious about this. Like, getting a better mic and a better camera, like, doesn't make me a better person though. But it also, like, I don't know. I feel like it would help, you know, kind of get my message across. So I think it would be worth it. But the thing I don't like is like sometimes like I bought this whole camera like for me to start YouTube like way back in the past, and I never did it. I never acted on it. I never acted on those visions that I had, and I just let that sitting there, and pretty much that was just a waste of money. But what I'm thinking now, what I'm saying now is that like I've shown myself that I'm showing up every day. That like, I'm actually serious about this, so might as well invest. But like what the song see the song. Oh, that's a mic. Bro. Yeah, that does look nice. Bro, like, is that like ASMR quality? Podcast microphone. Yo, I could upgrade my camera too, but I don't know, bro. I think I might pull the trigger on something soon. Ooh, this looks nice. This looks nice, chat. Yeah, you already know this is crisp. You already know that this is probably crisp. I got 30. I'm up to the one that lubricate. Ooh, I like Rode. Rode has good stuff. Do you have to have a boom arm with this thing? Oh, bro, I might get this. But real talk, yeah, bro, it will pay off. You're definitely putting in the work. It'll pay off tenfold one day. Yeah. I, I'm 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 honestly might go to Best Buy today and just buy something, bro. But like, I do have this camera. This camera, like, that's what I film my videos with. And then I also bought this mic, but the thing is with this mic, I can't control it to my computer. It has like limited battery, so I need like that mic. And bro, I kind of wanna I kind of want to start posting like a YouTube series for trading, and then like record it off my computer and then upload it off my computer. But then I don't know if I really need this, so then I can just like film my like activated videos on like I don't know, bro. I gotta figure it out. I'm gonna put in some more research today. Ugly chart. Good morning, broski. How do you do today, Eddie? One-on-one video soon, yes sir, bro. You've been killing it. For me, bro, like I'm not touching anything here. Like there's nothing for me even to take a trade off of. So honestly, I might I don't know. I might hop off stream and just like update you guys later, but I don't know because I generally like being in the streams. But for me, like there's nothing to take a trade off. There's nothing to trade for me right here. So nah, I wouldn't say that, bro, because like there's always a trade like. Yeah, took a short at 76. Nice. I know you want this for life, taking pictures on my eyes, but I can't. Was looking for QQs to treat 426.51 as resistance to go in. Sir. No, I just want you for the night. Bro, low key, I'm gonna start doing more like hold up. I know you want this for life. No, I just want you for the night. Alright, hold up. No, no. Yeah, alright. Might be my first profitable month. Yachty needs to make another good album. I don't really love Yachty. I feel like he has some good stuff, but you know, mm, Hold up. Oh, sorry. Yeah, bro. I might. I need to see. I need to see a lot for me to be actually in a trade. But today, bro, I think I might be going crazy on the treadmill today. I don't know. I got some new running shoes. I purchased some running shoes, and they've helped me so much. Yo, what's good? What's good, Nicholas? Oh, sorry, I didn't even see that. What's up, boys? I started late. Missed that short off open. No trade as of now. Yeah, for me, bro, there's nothing to trade. Let's go, Eddie. Hard work pays. Yeah, for sure. Sizing, yeah, bro. Like, sizing down, like that's the most important part of trading, bro. In my eyes, that's the most important part. Is you have to size down because when you put on more size than you're comfortable with, it's really about those losses. Like if you're able to take those losses and comfortable with taking those losses, that's when you're going to improve. Because like I used to trade, I used to not be comfortable with taking the losses. I thought I was, but I wasn't actually. Because then I would get emotional, not close my trade because I wanted to go back up. And like for me, like there's really no reason to be on big sides. Yeah, like there's no business trading e-minis. Like I used to trade Nvidia contracts, and like the strike price for those was like 14. It was like $1,000 contract when I used to trade, and that was like my whole account. Like it was like $1,500 contract. Like I had no reason to be trading those. But I'm trying to get after it this week. Really looking to have a great week. I'm actually kind of mad the opening pop to short was a decent setup. I mean, bro, if you're mad about missing a setup, then like you should really only care what the market's doing when you're in a trade. Like when you're, I don't care. Like if I show up to the charts and if I miss this, like I don't even care, bro. I don't even care if I miss this because I really only care what the market's doing when I'm in that trade. You just react off this 5 minute, go lower. For me, there's nothing. Like there's no reason to be in a trade for me right now. If we clear 496, we have some room down. I hear you, but also my setups don't come around often. Yeah, for sure. Nvidia earnings. Yeah, Nvidia is totally dropping this. Might drop market for real. I think it's all priced in lately. Yeah. We don't. So we pretty much just have Nvidia earnings. All right. This is kind of like exactly what's going to happen. I don't like straight down moves. I don't like straight down or up moves. I like to see like some sort of like range being placed. I guess you could say like more choppy action. That's when I trade the best is when like we have a draw and we're going this draw then this draw and like we have someone in there for me to take a trade off of. Like for me, up and down moves just aren't how I trade. If I had to guess, the Nvidia earnings will bring a pullback, but we'll see. They kind of, I mean, markets just, I would say yeah too. I think Nvidia might just sell off for the rest of the day. Hot take. I don't know. I can't really say anything about that. I used to trade Nvidia. That was so crazy. I don't know why. Like, bro, look at all this like low resistance. We're definitely going to rebalance within here. Like you'd be dumb to tell me that we're not going to at least 50%. You're not at least going in equilibrium. Like yeah, this might be like a low key a place where I don't know, for me to just put like a long term like short contract, just let it ride. Or for me, I don't think that's a good way to trade. I don't swing, but I also want to swing. Yeah, swing is short. Yeah, yeah, me too. But just like a hard. But who knows? Oh my gosh, bro! I haven't looked at Nvidia contracts in forever, bro. These things have skyrocketed. Bro, these contracts are insane now. I don't have enough. I'm going to see if we actually come out and take out this low, or if we just like displace back higher. For me, like no trade. I don't even have enough capital to swing an Nvidia put. I don't know if I even would honestly. Like when I used to trade Nvidia, like the contracts were like $1,000, and now they're like 46. They're like 4,600. Like a draw. I heard it's bad for Ivy. Now one and done as always. Left a lot on the table today. That's good, bro. As long as you're sticking to your rules, like you're never gonna catch the full move. I mean, I wouldn't say never, but don't expect to catch the full move. Like as long as you have a clear target where you want to get out, like don't be mad that you left some on the table.
she capping on me. I think we're gonna put in a low here though. Let's fast forward like 30 minutes from now. I think we're putting in a low here. Where we're going, we're gonna rebalance to at least equilibrium within this range. Where's that lie within this imbalance? I think we're putting a low here. We're gonna bounce up here. Personally, does like I don't think that we are for certain. Definitely not anything to take a trade off of, but um, I think we are going to bounce up or trace back into at least equilibrium. But personally, I need to see more structure form here for me to take a trade. More structure, bro. 14th of February, two double bottoms. I'll be stumped. There we go. I see it right there. I think we bounce here personally. I don't see that on SPY. I think I see what he's talking about. I don't know. I don't personally trade that. So it's hard for me to like look at that. What I started without problems. So tired. That is that's what that John do. Today might be well, you can call me scared or whatever, but like in reality, this is kind of what like becoming a profitable trader looks like. It's just staying strict to like your rules. Like I can totally see myself taking a trade in the PM. Ah, shouldn't have you message me. Nothing. Whoa. You know what? You know what's like absolutely corny, and I kind of hate. You know what's like corny, and I kind of hate, bro. Like I'm gonna say this. Like so I have like some people that DM me, and they're like, "Bro, we are going to make it for real." Who is we, bro? Like who are you talking about? We, bro. Like I think some people are kind of corny on the internet, and like when people say like, "Yeah, we're both going to make it." Like I feel like that's just I don't know. Because realistically, bro, like all of us, as much as this may seem like messed up, like we are all competing against one each other. We are all competing against one each other. And I don't like using that, but that's kind of reality. Because I think that you should constantly be competing against each and every person. But when comparing yourself and your results to other people's, I feel like you should never compare. And that's kind of how I think. Like you should always be wanting to compete against other people, like any day. And that's just how I am. I'm a competitive person. Like I never loved to lose. So and that's why I came into trading and I just had a hard time with like getting over that initially. But now I'm kind of back on it and kind of realize that that's essential. You disagree with what? We can't all win, bro. Like when someone tells me that like, oh, we're gonna make it, bro. We're both going to make it. In what fairy tale fantasy world are you living in? So like, when all your homies are going to be at the top, like that's probably not a reality. If everyone in this chat takes the same exact trade, we can all win. Yeah, I guess, but like, that's just one trade out of the journey. Like say you and your homie both start up a business. Say both you and your homie, you guys start two different businesses. You guys are in direct competition with each other. And then you guys have this same mentality that we're both going to win. We're both going to make it for real. We're both going to make both of our businesses are going to succeed for real. Like we're both going to make it for real. Like bro, but not everyone trading in the market will win. 100%, bro. Like like you have to be competing with everyone. But in terms of money, yes, I agree. Money is a zero sum game. I don't know what you're saying. Zero sum game. Drop my top now. Google zero. It means that there's a set amount of rewards. If I win, you lose. Basically. Hmm. I might actually buy this. Drop my top now. I feel good. Yeah, I think we're just slow. We still can run towards that equilibrium, but Like right now, we're forming structure. For me, that there isn't any way to take a trade for me until at least the PM session, till we get more structure formed. I'm stay on live for a little bit longer just because I want to. Chop City downside. Oh, cause we're chopping because we just took out this low. We just met and we just targeted this low. So ultimately, what that says is that throughout the day, like our target was to take out this low, but we just hit it so fast. We took that out so fast to where now we're just going to chop. It's like this. You check for it. I'm gonna do what I do and I'll do my thing. I need to be drinking some more water though. And what is the new setup coming? It's gonna be like next month. But the thing is, bro, so my 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 dad and his girlfriend, they're in Mexico right now. So I have to watch. I'm watching her dogs. So I'm moving my setup over to their house for like the week, so I can be there and watch the dogs. They just left like today. So, but that's the house that we are going to move into. So I have to move my setup over there. I'm gonna do that probably after the stream, and then for the aftermarket session, I'll be in that house. So I'll be in a different setup for the aftermarket stream and for like the next week. And then they come back, I'll probably move my setup back over here. But I'm pretty sure I'm moving within like a month. Probably like a month or two, I'll be moving. So I'll have like a whole new setup. It'll be pretty much be the same thing, but I'm excited, bro. It's always nice to put yourself in different environments, like new environments to work in. Like for me, like if I'm ever studying, if I'm ever reading, like if I go into a different environment, if I'm in like a different space, for me it's just like refreshing for my brain, and I feel like I get a little more productive, a little more creative when I'm in a different environment. I'm trying to move out for real. For me, bro, the thing is like I'm kind of I like I'm grateful. I live with my dad right now, and like I can see myself living with my dad for a minute now. I love refreshes, yeah, bro. Like refreshing up, like what your environment is such a good thing for me. Like putting yourself in a different environment, whatever that may be, like a new gym. Um, bro, wait, y'all couldn't see my screen that whole time. I apologize. You said something about it, but I thought that y'all could see my screen. I thought I was sharing this the whole time. But anyways, come to Miami, y'all. Cheap AF. When is Miami cheap? Nah, I told you to pull it up. Yeah, you did. I didn't see it. That's like the second time today. When did I change it back though? I thought I had that up the whole time. Let me just look on Zillow. What part of Miami? Like, let me refresh this. Let's look up Miami. All right, let's go price. Let's go like here. Let me go like to rent. Bro, look key. Bro, you might be right. What's like a nice place in Florida? Like Keys, Siesta Keys. Or my next door neighbor, 2,000 month studio luxury building, Miami. What's your address? Dude, low key. You wouldn't probably want to live down there. I get up at 6 a.m. done by 8, so I have the rest of the day off. Bro, low key, I might. This is definitely nice. So is that big? I'm looking angry I didn't find a short today. That's your problem, bro. That's probably the problem you have. You try to be in the market too much. Like I personally don't even get FOMO anymore. I don't get FOMO anymore. I don't care if I miss out on a move. I don't care if what the market's doing unless if I'm in a trade. Trade, gym, soccer, cardio, my life boring. Same, bro. I used to play I used to play soccer, but I just haven't in a while. Now I legit woke up late and didn't turn on my computer until 10 a.m. My life is pretty much so I wake up at like 3:40, 3:50 my time. I go straight to the gym. And then after that, I lift, and then I hit the sauna, and then I meditate. Well, so after I lift, I go on and play basketball for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then I hit the sauna. I hit the sauna, and then I meditate in the sauna, and then after that, I come back home, and then I read, and then I go in the shower, eat breakfast, look at the morning, and that's when I hop on stream. After my stream, I usually record like some type of content, probably short form videos, and then after that, I record like an activated video, and then I kind of while I watch some YouTube videos while I'm kind of looking at the market. I study, and then I kind of get my mental right, and after that. It's usually around like 12 p.m. my time, 1 p.m. my time. I go to the gym and then I run again, and then I come back, either read or study some more. Maybe create some more videos, and then that's when it's like 4 p.m. my time. I hop on for aftermarket session. Then after that, kind of just study again. Like it's pretty much the same thing every day. Kicking is fun. Make a day in the life, bro. I might. Should I do that tomorrow? Like that'll 100% like get some sort of views. But I don't really care about that. I might though. Like for a minute I was. Yeah. Loki, I'll film that tomorrow. I'll film one of those tomorrow. But then I'm gonna have to edit it. Like that's what I don't like. It's like I'll create content, but when it comes to the point to where like I have to be editing it, and because like my main focus is to become a profitable trader, not to become a content creator. So I mean, I guess if I just have to put like a bunch of clips together, one take no, yeah, that's kind of like what my content is, because I don't really like these crazy edits. Like you'll look at some people's videos and they'll have like edited stuff, flashes all over the place. That's just not who I am, bro. That's just not who I am. And personally, like if you're watching my videos to like have this super short attention span, then I don't think you should be watching my stuff. Yeah, Loki, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. That'll be a good, maybe day in the life. But like realistically, like what am I gonna do, bro? Yeah, that's true. That is true. But, like I'm gonna be like, yo guys, this is me. I'm going to the gym, and I'll be like, here's a few sets, record a few sets, and then I guess can record in the sauna, but that's also kind of weird. Usually my sauna's kind of a little crowded, and then like I'm driving home, record me reading, like it. So I was posting, I was posting like. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I was so I was posting like kind of like day in life type videos on like my shorts, and then like YouTube, Instagram. But then I'm like, this is literally the same video every day. It got to the point where it was literally the same video every day. You fumbled that gym chick. I don't think she was the one, Eddie. So I wouldn't trip. Nah, bro. I'm gonna be honest, bro. Like any chick at the gym, they're likely for the streets. They're likely not the girl you want. I mean, me personally, bro. Because you know for damn well sure, bro, she is getting like stared down like a pack of meat every single day of her life, bro. She was an artist and dancer. She was out there for real. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. I want to see. I look. You want to see like us get a move up into here, trace back in this breaker. So okay, here's what maybe might make me put in a trade is if we get like a move up here, we put in the high, come back, retrace down into this breaker, form some structure, and then target this high. But I don't even know if I would take a trade then. They love attention, hugging all gym bros. Like, why are you friends with every dude? Nah. Yeah, 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 yeah. but like this is all this looks like a previous trade up took in. Honestly, I don't know. The market. I need to see like some sort of range here. I want to see like more consolidation. Like I know a lot of traders. If you look at this, you probably don't want to see this, but me personally, I want to see like some sort of range being created, and then possibly take that. I'm in no rush to find someone though. That's why I unlocked it. Yeah, that's kind of how I was too. I'll be right back though. I'm grabbing an apple. I'm cuffed up. Maybe. We won't get too personal here. Mm. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. Nowadays, I'm on my 86. Yeah, like this is where trade, like this is the type of trading like not everyone sees. You're just waiting, being patient for your setup. Mhm. Yeah, I did. I mean, it's only like an hour. I had a bullish bias coming in, but we on ES, with this 1 hour bearish imbalance. What happened to my chart? I mean, this would still be SMT for me, and we had this one just past that we blew past this. Like I don't know, I'm not really fully looking to take a trade. My bias kind of got a little bit invalidated. Only thing I'm seeing today was opening short. Double bottom and ES. I don't trade off of this. I don't trade off of that. That's not how I trade. I want to see displacement out of this. Create a fair value gap in this breaker. come back to that. After we put in a high, target that high. Yeah, I think there will be a trade setup later today. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I gotta I gotta move my whole setup over to where I'm watching dogs at. It's gonna be a nice week. Give me some YouTube video ideas. Like, should I do like maybe some um, I kind of want to start another series because I know I have more that I can put into this, and I'm not at a point to where like I'm burning out. So, or like I can tell I'm at a point to where I have more that I can put into this, and I kind of want to make like another video series. I want to outwork what I have been doing. Resting liquidity on NAVs where make a video describing your perfect trading setup on a chart. Maybe. I feel like because I trade off ICT concepts, I'm pretty much looking for like some sort of buy model. Hold up. I know it's sad, Eddie. It's sad. Why do you believe ICT concepts work? Because they do. Why do you think people trade them in the first place? Because they work. I mean, realistically, any strategy can work. You just have to tweak it. You have to backtest it. You have to adapt to it. What's good, AZ? How you doing? What evidence do you have, bro? I don't think I really need to explain myself. I'm good, brother. You? Fantastic today. Excited to be back. If ICT works and you trade ICT, shouldn't you be profitable? Brother, I've been trading for like 4 months. Well, I would say 4 months for real, but I would say like a year in general, and I've been trading ICT concepts specifically for around 2 months. Or not even, bro. I don't even have that many journal. I don't have enough experience in the market, and like just because you trade it for like 1 week doesn't mean you're going to be profitable. How long does ICT? It depends on the person. Literally, anything related to trading and how long it takes to work is solely dependent upon the person. Are you trading? Are you putting in work? Are you putting in effort? Or are you just kind of half-assing it, you know? Is it possible that ICT doesn't work? What do you mean doesn't work? I bought a course on ICT. Now I'm learning about institutional order flow and interbank order flow. Yes, sir. I mean, any strategy works with proper. I don't know. I feel like your mindset's wrong with this. You realize that any strategy can work. Any strategy can work. You disagree? Not every strategy works. Why do you say that? Any strategy can work. You're gonna trade right now. Are you long in this? See, this is what I'm saying. Did I not say? Clip me like 15 minutes later. I said that we're probably gonna trace at least an equilibrium over this. Do you think that the VWAP strategy works? Yeah, 100%. I'm gonna make my video. I'll be right back. Good luck with that video, Eddie. I'll see you later. Go on the 1 minute on Navs. Oh, look. I see. This actually might have been a good trade if you took this for value gap. But for me, bro, I need to see more. I need to see like a high put in. We just swept in external. We got a displacement through this high. Created fair value gap. Boom. Where are we targeting? Probably this high. But for me, I need to see more. Then why don't you use it? Because that's not the strategy I want to use. Like any strategy can work, but like just for something to work doesn't mean that it's going to happen within a week. Like you just have to build conviction with your setup and what you trade. Build up liquidity and return to gaps target highs. Nvidia's dumping off again. Ooh, low key this. Look at all this. Engineered liquidity. I need it to respect the 1 minute gap right now. Taking a tiny short position on ES. I, I I'm outside in the AMG. Do you have the trading view plan to do split screen on SPX and NAS? I think it's $15 a month, and then I have $7 CME data. That's all I have for this. But if you're, I'm not sure. I don't think you have to. I think you can just have the basic plan. But pretty much go over here to this top point up here, and you see this icon right here. You can have like 16 charts, I guess. But I just do this with the split screen, just two charts. I mean, I guess you're able to do like three and four. I never experimented with all those. But yeah, I just do this one on the icon, and then I have it saved. You gotta figure that out how to save it. But save loadout, and then I have two charts and then one chart. What do you trade right now? Personal account? I trade on a demo account right now. I'm trading on a demo, trying to build up profitability. I'm gonna switch over to a live account probably sometime soon though. Probably within like a month and a half or 2 months. I just want to build profitability, show myself that I can be profitable. But I use Tradevate, Tradevate demo, and I've liked it so much better. I used to trade options, but ever since I switched, bro, it's been so much better. Like it's so much better since I switched. Before, do you use equal? How's the demo account profitability? So the thing is, so I was just on that account, just to kind of get used to the platform. I just reset my account to 1,500, but I had another 1,500 account that I made that I ran to like 2,300. But the only thing about that is like I had a trade that I had on there, and so I didn't mean to place a trade because I'm still figuring out how to use the platform. And then it ran to like it made like $300. So then I decided I'm gonna reset it because I was also over risking a little bit. So I was like, yeah, that's probably a little bit unrealistic. I'm not gonna be risking this much on a normal account. So why would I be doing this on a demo? So yeah, I really just reset it, and yeah, I'm gonna go from there. I still need to see a little bit more. If I let you go. Yeah, this might be a PM session. I'm a small size short. I would not be in the market right now, personally. TP hit? Yes, sir, Kenny. For me, I need to see more, but I kind of. Tyler Bet. All right, so all right, now we really have bullish S&T. I'm still bullish. Here, let me clean up this chart a little bit. I'm gonna delete this 1 hour imbalance. We kind of already disrespected it. Um, I would like to see this 15-minute hold, or if we can target this in like a 5 minute. Yeah, we don't really have a 5 minute. But we just swept this low. Now we have a little bit of displacement higher. But I personally need to see a little bit more. I need to see it. I need to see a high. I want to see a high put in place. Maybe something like this. Let's form some structure around this. Break through this, then give me a long up into this high or something like that. Yeah, I'm down. I'm probably just gonna chill on here. Um, I don't really see anything else, but bro, what would be like a sick place to live? Miami, Nashville, Austin, Dallas, and San Diego. Those are all nice places, bro. Like, I didn't even know any of this existed. Is this part of Florida? These are the Keys, right? So this is all just like beach. Come to Canada? Heck no. Bro, any one of these houses is insane. Wait, can I look at houses in Cuba? Oh, I can't. I think this is, I think Zillow you can only look at like, wait, what? That actually looks nice. You about to buy real estate, not rent? Bro, I don't have any capital. I don't say any capital, but I don't have enough. House prices in Toronto. I probably have to be on like a Canada site, Canadian. Oh wait, maybe not. No, this is crazy. In Toronto. Oh my bad. Toronto. I'm looking at Edmonton. The more right. Oh, here we go. I mean, Toronto really ain't that far off of bro. I don't know anything about like my geography. Toronto really ain't that far from Buffalo, really. This is kind of expensive. This is, but like all these are nice, from what I see. Oh my God, bro. $1 million for this? Yeah, Canada's kind of underrated. I can't really say that though because I've never been there. This all looks nice. You know where I'm trying to live? It's Arizona. Arizona, brother. I also like getting up earlier and like especially if I'm trading, bro. Like I would be up. I'll probably wake up at the same time. You have to look up houses in Malibu, Cal. I will in a minute, in a second. Like you're telling me that this is like 335K? And you gotta hold. Bro, this is like. Is this a shooting range? Bro, this is what I'm trying to be on. This is what I'm trying to be on. Someone clip this right now. This type of stuff I'm gonna be on. I'm trying to be on. Bro, this is like a dream house for me. I don't know about this. This rug in here is like, bro, what are they doing with this? Can you grab rim? I don't know. That's a good question. I am white, so you got to keep that in account. I used to when I played. I couldn't. Oh yeah, I forgot. I forgot. The markets are open. See, that's what I'm saying. I need to see a high put in, possibly retrace back into this breaker, and then give me some sort of buy model. But for me, like anything right now is a little bit too early. It is a possibility though to be in a trade. I do like this breaker here. I do like this. Check last 1 minute to see if it gets respected. On Nas, for me, like this isn't even close to being a trade. I need to see more form here for me to take a trade. I'm being so picky this week and going forward. How nice would it be to trade stocks on West Coast and be done at 12 and have the rest of your day? Yeah, like for me, usually I'm done. Well, it depends. Like right now, it's 9:13 for me. Wait, is this all that same house I was looking at? Bro, and they have a golf. Bro, this is like, what is this? A gaming studio? Like, bro, how much money do you need? All of this for this weak little gym. Buy Nvidia puts. I think I'm good. I don't need to be risking my own money, especially like if I'm not. Bro, it's insane. Like imagine living, like imagine being a kid at that house. Inverse fair value gap on the 3 minute. I don't like that. Switches. Yeah, yeah. Ooh. We're now in this 2 minute balance on yes. All right, I'm going on daily walk. See you, bro. Have a good rest of your day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, nauseous. Price is going to tap off the inverse fair value gap and go to your breaker. What inverse? Oh, this one. On Nas? I don't have a breaker on the Nas though. 3 minute. Mark it out. Is this the one you're talking about? This inverse? I don't really like this because for me I need to see like something like a higher low, prominent higher low get taken first. Like for me that inverse is really just within this high. So for me I don't have enough confidence within that we're going to that. We also have this order block here. Watch. Imagine. You're living my dream. I always wanted to do that. Do what? The job? What job? Oh, why can't you? Yeah, we did respect that inverse. Gonna head to this breaker. Look, it give me something sexy to target this high. I'm only gonna trade it if it's clear and the action's there. I'm not forcing anything. I'm being confident. But I also am going to have confidence with whatever I'm trading. I do want ES to retrace into this breaker. Give me some forward structure and then displacement through a high. Show me that we want to go back to this draw, which is this high. Let me look at the higher time frames though, just to make sure I'm not too zoomed in here. On the hourly, we do have that bullish SMT, like very bullish. Uh, like NQ came all the way down and slipped that low, and ES is nowhere near that, nowhere near. What do we do on the 5 minute? We came down. Swept this prominent low. I kind of do need to see a little bit more, so I don't know. I might not be fully into a trade, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, about to head into that breaker, draw into that breaker. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. If we don't get a reaction, we don't get a reaction. If you have any sort of, we do have a little 3 minute imbalance, but about to be 3 and 2 on the day. Yes, sir. Good stuff. You already took 5 trades. Personally, I only like to take like 1 or 2 trades. Not that many. I like to limit myself. No, 3 trades. Oh, okay, I see. That was good. 3 trades isn't bad. What breaker are you talking about? It's on ES. Honestly, I think I might stay on the charts all day. This might be like a 6 hour live stream. Because I think we really are going to get action in the PM session. I'm not gonna force anything right now. Stop that, I'll break even. You're good. Done for the day. Yeah, have a good one, bro. Just know when you should stop, and stick to your rules as long as you have good rules. I think we're gonna see some action in the PM session. That's what I'm looking for. Low key, bro. What? I don't know, cause I'm kind of in this weird situation. I don't know. I'm probably gonna stay on. I guess when action slows, it's time you get your push-ups in. It's time when you get your reps in, or not. Have you joined any mentorships? I actually am in a. I'm in tactical traders. Justin Werling. I just joined it last week. I was debating whether or not, but I'm like, bro, if I'm putting like $70 into, like, I would 100% buy $70 worth of books. So why don't I do that with my education and trading? And that's what I've done. Personally, I like it. It's been decent so far. He streams his trades live in Discord. Yeah, he does. And like all this is this is just chop. You don't really necessarily want to be in a trade here. I personally don't. Still chopping, yeah, for sure, 100%. Like this is still chop. And for me personally, I like to see chop because what does that mean? We're accumulating. Accumulation, then possible manipulation, and then we'll get that distribution move. Or maybe accumulation, then we get a manipulation, and then we get a distribution. How's the video, Eddie? Editing now, adding captions, infinite upload soon. Yeah, I use CapCut. I just do like auto captions, and it's like done within like a minute. I upload it, it's nice. Not gonna lie, since I started watching ICT, my trading becomes so much better. Me personally, I don't like how ICT teaches. Like, if I'm watching an ICT video, it's not very he kind of just rambles and like I don't know. Maybe because I usually watch videos in like 2 times speed. I don't know. I just need to put in some more work and just watch more of them. But at the end of the day, like watching videos isn't necessarily going to make you a better trader if you just constantly watch and watch and watch. I mean, yeah, it's good to get repetitions, but you're gonna grow the most learning from your own mistakes and learning how you trade personally. Everyone trades differently. Because the mistake that you made isn't a mistake that anyone else made. It's a mistake that you made personally. We're back in that breaker. Bro, I'm so hyped. I look at my I'm just so ready to be back at it. Like I find my most joy when when I'm at it, you know? Like doing this every day. Like that Monday was a little bit hard for me, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so we just put in a high, exactly what I want to see. Retrace back to this breaker. We're kind of dropping below. Ooh. Let's look at Nas. I don't know. We saw this 15-minute imbalance. For me, bro, though, I kind of just I need to see more. God dang. I need to film a video though. That 3-minute inverse actually got respected and pulled all the way past the breaker. Oh, so it's more on ES. All I see now we created two equal highs. All I see this is more buy side liquidity that we just added to the resume. I want to see us. We're now within OTE of this range. I want to see us run this 1 minute, you top it as inverse, draw towards those two equal highs. That's what I'm looking at right now, personally. I want to see us run that 1 minute, run this 1 minute. We're in OTE. Still bullish. I want to see us run that, use that as an inverse, and that's how I could possibly enter. Um, yeah, I'll give it a stab if that happens, and if it doesn't happen, then I'll journal, find out why I went wrong, um, and what I can do better next time. But let's kind of see though. Let's kind of analyze. Came back, so we just swept internal. We have a higher time frame bullish S&T. We're still within this 15-minute imbalance, so if we were to get a move up, we would still be respecting that. Came back into OTE. We put in a high now, kind of sold off. We have that breaker on the 2 minute. Still kind of respecting it. Yeah, we are still respecting this 2 minute breaker. Um, but that's not what I want to see. I wanted to see this actually. I want Price to show me that wants to do what I think it does. The fact that we kind of respected that though. I read a little bit of like. Kind of breaking it. We have a 2 minute as well, and that volume imbalance. I just don't like how we're not as strong, bro. Like when I see this, I want us to displace like up here within this, and then come back to target this and this. But yeah, we're still respecting that. No trade, no trade yet. Even if we do that, no trade for me. Lower probability. Oh my gosh. Ah, bro, my chest is dead. Cuckoo. Nah. Yeah. With the money, it's about to be lunch too. I don't know, bro. Today might be cause like I feel like I totally would stay on here longer if it was like it was a normal day, but bro, I look you gotta I'm gonna run and then I gotta run and then we'll be back for the post market session. I'll be here. But I got some stuff on my plate I got to take care of. I'm going to run, and I don't think that there's going to be a setup that I'm going to find. If I miss a setup, that's totally okay. You gotta know when to step away. Right now, I'm just lower probability. We just swept internal. I'm just going to wait, and it's a Tuesday after a bank holiday. All these factors are adding up to where I just don't think I should really necessarily be in a trade right now. So I'm not going to be. I'm not going to force it. I'm going to get on with my day, have a good rest of my day, and we are going to come at it. Maybe in the PM session, I might take a trade. I'll update you guys. I'll probably post a video about it. But for right now, and what I'm seeing, like I'm gonna step away. We'll be back at it tomorrow. We'll also have aftermarket session. If I do take a trade, we'll go over it later. But anyway, I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day. I wish I really could be on here all day. Tomorrow I might. That might be what I do tomorrow. We have FOMC minutes, so that might be something to look out for tomorrow. But I appreciate you guys. Yo, what's good, Belt Pro? How you doing, bro? It's crazy because I'm actually about to head out of here. Um, I do still think maybe the draw is here this high, but I don't have confidence. I need to see more personally in order for me to form a bias. That's why I think PM session is going to have better probability trade and a higher probability trade for me to take. But for right now, not so much. But yeah, I'll definitely be back at it later tonight and tomorrow morning. Excited to be back at it. We are still in that two. We are still in that breaker though. That 2 minute breaker. Maybe we just want to hold up. I don't know, y'all. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I hope y'all have a good one.